Myntri ketenat social welfare ubak polling do haka atrik nailar ula Kyntu ki Dorbar Shnong ban iatreilang ringkat bar ke sorkar ban kun pyrshah ya drok da ke thaw ki village defense party VDP halaki jongki Shnong. Habakren Syllad pathai kubor ubak pol ula ong ba ke sorkar kala pentemai bat Kyntu ya ke jingiarap song pisa na ke bentaki dekat VDP na ka praspa tingka syakalai hajar tingka shisnem. Kat kum ke jing ong ke jong u ki dekat VDP kini yarap ya ketenat pulit lingba ki jing tip bat ki jing lap ksai klem ta don kam banda don haki surok baro arp sau kenta. Myntri wat la kata ula penpau ke jing sngukya ba wat hadin ki jing persyang jong ke sorkar Henry ki don tang khatwei teli ki VDP ha Shlong ka sorba ka badon hadu palat riulak ngut ki nong Shnong. Ngalaya kren bat ki Dorbar Shnong ha ke jingiakhun ka balalong ha NEC building ha Nongrim Hills ha ka babun na ki Dorbar Shnong ki bahe jong ka sor Shlong ki lawan e shimbenta. Bat ngila Kyntu ya ki ban shim ya ka VDP scheme na ba ki VDP ki dei ki bala itu da ka an bat ka bala aya ka bor bat ka jingiada da ka an bat ki batrei kamru rengkat bat ka tenat pulit ula ong. Nga Kyntu ki Dorbar Shnong bakin wan syakmat ban shim kabu halor kene ke jing terwa jong ke sorkar jela namar kene kam dei ke jing le hapadeng ke sorkar bat ki pajba Henry ke dei ke jing iatreilang jongi bat upajba na ke benta ban yakhun pyrshah ya drok benrap ubak pol. Nalor kata ula pentip ru ba nyongut ki nong kai drok ki bala syak kem labun sin ki la syak kem bat syak set hapok ki kendon PITNDPS na ke benta shisnem. Kabala ru ban penjelan nada syam baki dang yai beteng bandle ya kini kejuk ke kambaman. Na kaliang ke sorkar kala ai ru da ke khusnam da ke song pisa syaki dekat ka ANTF bat ki volunteer kum ke jing itu ya ke jing trai shitom ke jongki ha ke jingiakhun pyrshah ya ki kam khai drok. Dang shen ngalale jingo ya ke office ka ANTF bat ngila ai ru ya ke song pisa ka wa marshipo hajar tingka syaki dekat ka bompat Juliet Satya ha ki snam ki balalek no. Kini kisin jam ki bakrau shibun ula ong.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Only defeat the very purpose of us trying to tackle the menace of drug trafficking. As you can see, the ANTF is now a totally dedicated police force led by an SP with its own vehicles and trained personnel. Areas which have not been covered by them in the past, for instance, the cantonment area, Yodo, our ANTF guys are there almost on a daily basis. And for somebody to actually physically go ahead and catch hold of suspected peddlers, that itself is illegal, and it also risks the health of the person who actually can come into contact with contaminated syringes and stuff like that. But we have a scheme which I have shared with the Dorbar Shnongs. We had a very well-attended meeting at the NEC building at Nongrim Hills, where all the major Dorbar Shnongs of Syllad had attended, and we appealed to them to avail of the VDP scheme, Village Defense Party, which is a legal entity, which will also give them legal coverage and protection, and which works in tandem with the police department. We have revised and enhanced the cash incentive from 800 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month, and these volunteers need not be on the roads, on the streets, on the lanes 24/7. They will only assist the police department with information and giving us leads So we have done that. We have also till today detained 6 repeat offenders under the PITS and DPS, where they will be detained for a period of 1 year, which is extendable if they are found to be repeating the crimes. So these are all major initiatives that the government has taken, and I would again appeal, as of date we have just 11 VDPs in Shillong, a city that has now a population that has crossed 5 lakhs, close to 6 lakhs plus. So for a population of 6 lakhs to have just 11 VDPs, because we need information sharing. We need, and we have also the DREAM mission. And recently, you might recall, I have visited the ANTF office, and we have given cash incentives also to their personnel, 10,000 rupees per volunteer, which has not happened in the past. So these are major initiatives. Through you, I would appeal to the Dorbar Shnong to come forward, take advantage of the offer of the state government, because this is not us versus them. This is not government versus the people. This is the people with us together tackling the menace of drugs.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.